Infinity Ahzee, a sign of dignity, taking action to develop the students. Different types of letters. Letters may be of different types such as official letter, commercial letter, social letter, personal letter. Official letter. The letter that contains the facts and figures of an office is called official letter. While writing an official letter, rules and regulations are to be strictly followed. Generally, the officials write this letter to send official messages to different offices, organizations or persons. Commercial letter. The business letter means an exchange of thoughts and ideas in connection with a monetary dealing of man and organization. To define more elaborately, we can say that it is the sale or purchase of ideas related to the monetary exchanges. Social letter. The letter that is written for any social purpose or invitation is called social letter. Personal letter, which letter contain the facts and figures of person, is called personal or informal letter.